Did you know? Birds can see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. This ability helps them in various ways, such as finding food and choosing mates, as many fruits, flowers, and even feathers have UV patterns. Birds, particularly those with complex songs like the song sparrow, have larger brains relative to their body size compared to mammals. This helps them with intricate vocalizations and sophisticated behaviors. Hummingbirds have the highest heart rate of any bird, which can exceed 1,200 beats per minute during flight. Their rapid heartbeat supports their extremely high metabolism and constant hovering.